Welcome everyone, Karen Eiton here. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to have you here today. I always love coming on and doing my YouTube videos. It really makes me feel like I am really contributing. I am helping other people, and that makes me feel really good inside. So I love helping other people. I love them to be able to bring their small business or sewing shop to to reality, really. And so I love doing that. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn income from sewing and how to make more income than ever. If maybe you haven't had your sewing shop going for a while yet, maybe you've only just started it, or maybe you're only contemplating having one and you just haven't got started at it yet, or maybe you already are a person who has a sewing shop, but you're just not getting the revenue that you had hoped for, right? So you want to earn a little bit more revenue. Maybe you need to pivot your business just a little bit more or differently to start earning those dollars, that cash money that can come in the door or online from, offering something that people really want, right? So we want to be able to position our offer so it's something that is needed, it's wanted, it is desirable. People want to pay you for that, right? And if you have a product or service, people would love to bring you money for it, right? It's just amazing how it works when you're in the right niche for yourself, when you're offering something that is really true to your heart, and it really can be quite profitable. A lot of people don't think that just a little sewing business could really create any revenue or could really help you to gain some more momentum to support your family, to support your children, and to make a better life for them, to create an income that can offer your kids more. You can send them to better schooling. You can do so much for your family when you yourself are creating and making revenue yourself by something that you just totally love, right? So I'm still getting used to these new glasses. I don't wear them very often, but I'm still kind of getting used to them. They are my bifocal. They are for sewing and things like that, and for reading. So I really, I'm trying to get used to them. Now, my other glasses that I wear, they are like, I wear them for painting. I wear them for working around the house. I wear them for gardening. I wear them for everything because I don't see that well, because I have pretty much ruined my eyes from so many years of sewing, really fine hand sewing and really tiny stitches of sewing. So that's just the way that it is, but I can deal with it. But it's just that I'm getting used to these glasses. Now, my other glasses, what I wanted to say is I can still see in a distance with those other glasses, right? But these are a little bit stronger, and I can't see in a distance very well with these glasses. I'm wearing them more and more, and I'm getting used to them. So I'm starting to be able to not trip, like if I leave them on and start walking and stuff. But they're not completely, I'm not completely used to them yet. So bear with me, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get on it. We're going to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and like this video if you like what the content that I share here. And please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give me the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to boost my algorithm and to boost my channel up, and it would really help me out a whole lot, and I would really appreciate that. And I love my subscribers, and I love the people who are still watching but maybe haven't subscribed yet. So my numbers are growing. I am getting people who are watching my content, who are listening, but they haven't really tuned in. Like, I want to be involved with you, but please do that. Please get involved and and reach out and go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and you will be surprised at the content that I share here, how it can help you. Because I don't just share clickbait content where you just click on the title. It's truly about what the title says. I try to keep it to being truthful and share the content that is really described in the description, right? Described in the title itself. So it really is something that you can learn from, okay? So we're going to go ahead. If many of you don't know by now, I am a business coach, small business coach, and I also help small sewing and alteration shops to really be able to pivot and to shift their business to start earning income, to start bringing in the cash, right? You want to bring in the cash. You work hard, long hours over that sewing machine, and I want you to be able to start bringing in the cash, right? So I want that for you as well. So I'm bringing in the cash, and I want to teach you how you can bring in the cash too. In the background here, you can see the other another angle of my alteration shop. You can see where that bag is hanging there. I have bridal dresses in there to do this week, and also that's my fitting area, so you can see part of it. And then over here you can see this white little box here. That's my cash wrap where I take my transactions. And so it's getting there. You still have a little work to do, but it is getting there. We're working on it, just constantly trying to improve it, trying to make it more attractive, trying to be able to put it in a way and design it in a way where every single wall or every single angle of my shop is halfway beautified, where brides can feel that they can snap a photo, right? They can snap a photo and not feel and cringe on, you know, what it is the background is, right? So anyway, that's what I'm doing. So you can take it, you know, for what it's worth. But anyway, so okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on talking about how to earn income in sewing and, you know, make the income, make the cash, start making the dollars, right? And so number one is by attracting your clients to you. So there are different ways that you can go about attracting your clients. And you want to make sure that the stuff that you're putting out there is true about what you're offering, and it really attracts your ideal clients. You do have an ideal client, if you know that or not. And what people are looking for. So you want to make sure that you are attracting your clients by what it is the results of your product and service are. So whatever the result of your product and service are, that is who your ideal clients, and the result of that you're attracting. So those are the people that you want to attract, who need your result, right? So number two is by putting the word out there on social media that you do what you do, and you are a professional at what you do, just like I am. I am a professional at sewing. I am a professional at alterations and tailoring. I am a professional, not only an author, but a professional. So I put myself out there as such, and I put myself also out there as a professional coach to be able to take you from where you are now to your ideal situation of a business, right? To be able to help you plan your business well, that positions yourself in a way that you can offer a better package than what your competitors do, right? So you can be found more. You will be more attractive that way by offering just a little bit more than what your competitors are. Okay, so the number three, by listing your business on the web. So a lot of tailor shops, older tailor shops or alteration shops, don't know anything about the web. They don't use the computer. They don't have their businesses listed. They don't get involved on anything that has to do with the computer. And it really does them a disservice. And they really I can't tell people what to do. It's only if they open their heart and let me help them that I can, help them, right? So, but I talk to so many that just are not on the web. They don't have a business listing. They're not listed on Google, Bing, Yahoo, GoGoDuck, none of those search engines. They don't have anyone coming from online to their location. Because they're not listed. They're not on any of the maps where people can find them. They are just basing their business on walk-in traffic only. If someone happens to see them, right? And that's not a great way to run business nowadays. We need all the traffic that we can get. We need to put ourselves out there professionally so we can gain the clients. We can gain the traffic. And when you gain traffic, you have more of an opportunity to start making cash, right? Bottom line. So, okay. So number 4, you want to position your offer better than your competitors. There, you want to either tweak or redo your offer, or you want to shift your offer, but you want your offer to be something that is needed, something that people will pay you money for, but you also want to position your offer differently, better, bigger, than your competitors. And when you do that, you can offer more of more income by doing that. You can make your price a little bit higher than thinking that you need to always go with the low ballpark price. You want to position your offer higher. People want to pay for professional service or professional products, and you want your products to be as such. You don't want to have a low ticket price. You want to have a great price for your product where you are getting paid for your time and service, right? So then number 5 is to make your offer more buyable, like buyable by giving your clients what they're looking for. So many clients are looking for certain things depending on your product and service, but different clients are looking for different things. And if you can research enough to find out exactly what your clients want, then you can put a package together where you can offer them exactly what they want for your premium price, right? That's what we want, where we want to get you to. So then number 6 is to expand your business and online sales outlet and start making sales on one marketplace to keep cash flowing. So we always need to have that cash flow. As a business owner, you need some sort of cash flow. So some of my cash flow comes from online marketplaces, right? So I'm on Bonanza, Etsy, where else? eBay, Poshmark. So I sell what I can on some of these other marketplaces, right? So I get cash flow coming from those other marketplaces. So you want to be able to have a cash flow going somewhere, even if it's only from your own website that you control, where you would go and promote your product or service on your website, and you have something there that is of value where people can buy it from you, right? If it's a download, if it's an ebook, if it's something that people can buy and purchase this from you, and it has some sort of a means to where it can start earning revenue for you. You can add to your revenue by having some sort of an outlet like this that you can start making cash from, okay? So this is very helpful. And then number 7, you want to market and promote your business online daily. Yes. So whatever marketplace you choose, if it's LinkedIn, Facebook, LinkedIn, Facebook, what are some of the other ones? Instagram, wherever it is you want to hang out, wherever it is you feel that your potential clients are hanging out, you want to start conversations with them. You want to learn a little bit about them. So this is the place where you want to promote your business, what it is you are offering, what your offer is, and what the result is. And then number 8, you want to be able to accept payments online fast. So when you are going to get a sale, you want to be able to totally take them through the process of your sale, right? You want to be able to check them out, give them their product, either ship it to them or have them walk in the door and pay you, whichever way or means that it is. You want to be able to have some sort of a system set up where you can take their payment and they can pay you fast, right? Fast cash, right? So you want to be able to do that. So our bonus today is have an open mind and be creative in your sewing shop or your small business, and treat your machines like gold. They really do the hard labor for you. They really do the work for you. You should treat your machines like gold and start making and selling. So if you have a shop that you're only offering a service, at your location, maybe it's time that you start thinking about also offering a product online so you can start getting the cash flow. And that could be really helpful to you. Now, I know this is how mine works. My alteration business is usually busy in the springtime, in the summer, right? And October is really one of my really good months too. So what I do is the months that I'm really busy with alterations, I focus on alterations and just a little bit on my days off on taking photos to download to other marketplaces, right? And then in the winter when it's really slow here for walk-in traffic and alterations, then I really focus on my online sales, right? So that's how I've been able to handle both. That's how I work out doing both. But it depends on your situation, what your product or service is, for you to be able to, know what you can offer and what you can't at what